Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at one method of using an applicator and a squeegee. When we wet this window down, it's going to be the exact same pattern to wet it down and the exact same pattern to squeegee both of these windows that are going to be cleaned here. If you get used to a certain pattern, it makes things faster, more efficient. As you can see, the applicator is still in the left hand. It's never put back into the holster at all. It's never put away. Both tools are always in the hand if you're doing multiple sets of windows, and you're keeping that same pattern makes your your patterns more efficient, smoother, faster. You're going to take and wipe the seal at the same time. That's just a quick look at another method. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.